morning video of the St. John River in New Brunswick. It's April 19th and it's time for the floods. This year is not too bad. Focus very good. Too early in the morning. Not enough light. That's usually a swamp, marsh, whatever you want to call it. It was 2014. The water was up on this road, and the road was partially washed out in a couple spots, like right there where you see the new pavement. And they had it closed for 2 or 3 months. Usually gets up onto the road, but not by much. I'm guessing it floods because the ice breaks up north, because there hasn't been snow here in a month, and up north the snow's been pretty much gone for at least 3 weeks, and then for some reason this time of year the waters rise. It must have something to do with the ice breaking up, because within the last week the ice broke on the river up north. But yeah, not much going on this year as far as flooding so far, although Nova Scotia is supposed to get ton of rain. I'm not sure if it's supposed to get this far north or not. Guess we'll find out on the way home from Toronto. Just got one more part of the video to show you. Hopefully it focuses. In an island in the middle of the St. John River that is almost completely underwater, but that happens quite often. Well, this time of year anyway. It's coming up. Sorry it wouldn't focus, but well, there you have it. A little bit of flooding going on. Don't think at this level any houses are at risk. They're kind of used to it. I don't know how they get insurance when they live close to the river every spring. Not quite sure why. There's a dam just up the river about, I'd say 40 kilometers. told that it's old and not in the best shape, but I don't know. Seems like this river's been flooding for decades, probably centuries. But I don't understand why they wouldn't release the water in the winter when the water level's low. And then close off the dam and release the water gradually. I don't know. I just don't know. But that's the St. John River in New Brunswick, Canada, in the Jemseg area. Have a good one. Like, subscribe, and comment.